Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in order to do this cool DIY crop top, you will need a pair of handy scissors, a Sharpie to mark the point of incision, a measuring tape to measure, you could say, the width of your bra strap, or if you just want to make sure your boobs are fully covered, and of course you need the tank top to turn into a crop top. So first things first, you want to make sure that your tank top is laid completely flat on the floor. This just ensures that when you are cutting it, there is no zigzags, and to make sure you do not want to cut under it. So that is just something to keep in mind. Also, I'm going to go take my measuring tape and just measure a little bit above my bra and a little bit under the bra, just to make sure when I wrap the material around that it covers my bra straps and stuff. This is not mandatory if you're not wearing a bra. You could just leave that part out, but that's just what I'm doing. So next I'm going to take the measuring tape. Since I measured about 6 to 7 inches, I'm going to roughly do around 6.5 inches. I'm just going to do this from the armpit to the bottom, and I'm going to do this on both sides. So after I'm finishing doing my measurements, I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to draw a line through the white lines, and this is just going to be my point of incision because, like I said, as you've seen before, I cut too much, so this just helps me make sure that I have enough material to cover my bra. Now that we're finished doing our measurements and stuff like that, we're finally going to take the scissors and start cutting the shirt, only the front of the shirt, in half, and this is how I was going to get this fold over crop top effect. So next we're going to cut along the seams of the tank top, and we're going to cut up vertically until we reached where we put our point of incision with the Sharpie. And we're going to do this on both the left and the right side. So after you finish cutting and dividing the shirt to almost 3 pieces, you're going to cut the third flap horizontally from one point of incision to the other point of incision. And literally this is the last step before we put it on and actually create the crop top. After you're finished cutting, this is how the crop top should look. You have to make sure all the sides are even, all the measurements are even, and it's clean cut, nothing zigzag or anything like that. I know it looks crazy, but trust me, when you put it on, it will look absolutely amazing. So just as I was preaching earlier, that 6.5 inches of space of material left over really did a good job in covering my bra. So like I'm saying, it's very, very important that you do your measurements.